Rafta BTS funny commentary. Hello everyone. Today we are going to watch some super funny behind the scenes moments from Rafta, where the real drama is not in the script but in what the actors do when the camera is not even rolling properly. When the camera is on, everyone looks serious, emotional, and fully in character. But the moments the camera turns off, the real comedy show begins. Trust me, BTS is sometimes even more entertaining than the actual drama. Just look at this moment. Everyone is trying their best to look serious and professional. But I honestly feel like the director did not even finish saying action before someone already started smiling. You can clearly see that holding laughter here is harder than delivering dialogue. One of small eye contact and boom, the whole serious atmosphere turns into a comedy scene. Watching this BTS really makes you realize that shooting Rasta is not just about acting, it's also a full test of patience and self control. Imagine this, you are trying to remember your dialogue, mention your expressions, stand in the right position, and at the same time, your co star is doing something funny right next to you. And if you laugh even a little bit, the whole take is gone. The director is like, cut, and everyone is like, sorry, sorry. One more time. This cycle continues again and again. On screen, everything looks so perfect, romance, emotions, intense dialogues, dramatic background music, but behind the camera, the reality is completely different. Someone is asking, did I say my line correctly? Another person is like, wait, was that my close up you or yours? And someone else is just laughing in the corner. This is the real magic of behind the scenes content. It shows us that perfection on screen comes from a lot of funny calls off screen. One of the best things about BTS is seeing how different actors are in real life. Compared to their characters on screen, they might look very serious, emotional, or even strict. But off screen, they are just like a group of friends having fun together. There is constant laughter, teasing, and playful moments. Sometimes it's honestly feels like a picnic rather than a professional show. Someone is joking, someone is dancing randomly, and someone is just laughing at everything. Everything happening around them. And look at this moment. I'm pretty sure someone forgot their dialogue here. And instead of getting nervous, they just turned the whole situation into comedy. This is actually a very small move because when you forget your lines, you have only two options, panic or laugh it off. And clearly, they choose the funnier option. The best part is that even the crew behind the camera starts laughing. So it becomes a full on group comedy scene. This is why BTS videos are so special. They show us the natural, real side of actor. The characters we see on screen might be intense, emotional, or even scary sometimes, but in real life, these same actors are full of energy, jokes, and positivity. It also makes us appreciate their work more because we realize how much effort goes into every single scene. What looks smooth and effortless on screen actually takes multiple retakes, lots of laughter breaks, and a lot of teamwork behind the scenes. Honestly, after watching these Rafta BTS moments, the drama becomes even more interesting and enjoyable. It feels like we are not just watching a show anymore, but also getting a glimpse into the real friendship and fun behind it. Now, I want to ask you all, what was your funniest moments in these BTS clips? Comments down below and let me know. And if you want to see more amazing and funny BTS content from Rafta, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.